Hi guys, welcome to another shipping container video. I don't think you really finish creating a dream home because we always dream of what it would look like. I had the pergola, but the house was still getting all sandy inside, even though I put some artificial grass in place. These pics make my home look a mess, but it's because I'm moving things around to make way for the new deck. So this video is about the deck build. I hope you enjoy. After working out my dimensions of where I wanted my deck to go, I set about digging the post holes, which was a big job. As you can see, I had to dig my way through the hard stand. We ended up using a spade drill bit and a drill to get through the shell grit. And Ricky and Dylan helped me with this as there were so many holes to dig. With the posts now cemented in, it was time to place the wood. I used strapping to hold them in place. I chose to use screws rather than nails. It was easier for me to use a drill than a hammer. Each post was treated with bitumen paint to improve the life of the structure. These are the screws I used. I was a bit annoyed because they have like a square drill bit and not a hex. Oh, I forget the name of it. But anyhow, I found them a pain because I just kept stripping the drill bits and having to buy more, but I managed. Meanwhile, in the garden, we get very high winds out here at Swan Reach. So I've posted a pic here to remind you of the size of the tree that I have in my backyard from episode 1. I had made a little greenhouse out of the leftover wood and steel from the container build, and a huge tree branch fell and crushed it. The branch was massive, as you can tell from the size of Rosie, my dog. But it gave us firewood throughout winter. I put the bearers in place at intervals of 400 and used support brackets and screws. It took a long time to place the decks. I made sure to leave a small gap between each board to allow for any swelling, and used pine decking boards as they were cheaper. I used Wattle Pro Deck oil to finish the boards, and Lee, my son, helped me with this. We used a paint broom to get a good coverage. With the leftover timber, I created a small shelf to make the front of the container more appealing and to stop Bobby, my dog, from getting under the container. I used the leftover metal from the framing inside of the structure to attach the decking to. And this is the deck after the staining. And now the pergola has a place to reside. And to me, it looks amazing. Well worth doing it myself because of the money that I saved. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe and share to others that may be interested. Thank you. Bye.